Megan Fox, who is engaged to rapper Machine Gun Kelly, shared a cryptic caption on her most recent photo, which were 2 lines from Beyoncé's 2016 hit Pray You Catch Me. It comes after the Transformers actress shared a series of selfies as the beauty posed in a plunging corset on Instagram today. The 36-year-old pulled her signature dark locks into a tight bun while staring at her reflection in the full-length mirror. She captioned the post, "You can taste the dishonesty / it's all over your breath." The cryptic Instagram post has received over 1 million likes as a number of her 20 million followers flooded the comment section. Becca commented, "Deleted all photos of MGK and started following Eminem." See which wrote, "Anyone else see she's now following Eminem?" Maddie remarked, "Oh my god, she took down all her posts WMGK." Jeannie added, "Not her deleting all of their pics and all this shade lately." However, some speculated that it was just a PR stunt, with one writing, "Hey, are still following each other on Instagram." Just another PR stunt. Megan is currently only following 3 celebrities on the picture-sharing site, including Eminem, Harry Styles, and Timothée Chalamet. It comes almost 6 months after the couple were reportedly on the rocks after Megan was said to have tired of his childish ways. She previously insisted that she manifested the rapper into her life after admitting that she had been dreaming of her fiancé, 32, since she was 4 years old, adding she thinks that she made him. At the time, she was keeping a very low profile online, and when she was posting, it was single girl content. Kate Garraway was in dress with thigh-high split at Brit Awards 2023. Latest Holly Willoughby almost spilled out of dress in sensational photos. Pictures. Piers Morgan begs Ricky Gervais to host Brits as viewers switch off TV. Despite this, Megan and Machine Gun Kelly, whose real name is Colson Baker, were spotted arriving at Drake's Super Bowl party in Arizona on Friday night. The Jennifer's Body star showed off her enviable figure as she stunned in a plunging black ensemble with a daringly low neckline and keyhole waist cutouts. The couple held hands at the star-studded bash at Hangar 1 in Scottsdale ahead of Super Bowl 57 on Sunday. The actress bombshell slicked her raven locks back into a sleek updo while she let the 2 strands fall loosely to frame her stunning features. The Midnight in the Switchgrass star added some bling with a dainty silver necklace teamed with pendant earrings, and wore a pair of cutout pink gloves. The couple met in May 2020 while shooting the crime thriller film Midnight in the Switchgrass, which also starred Bruce Willis, Emile Hirsch, Luca Hawes, and Sistine Stallone, among others. They began dating following her shock split from husband Brian Austin Green, who she was married to for a decade and shares 3 children with. By January 2022, the 2 were engaged.